Oh, close. You have one letter too many. No. Okay, that's right. Yeah, I said tourist trap. But yeah, no, that's right. Tourist trap. What's a tourist trap? It's give me an example. Everybody wants to go there. Yeah. So a tourist. Who is a tourist? Somebody who is traveling. Yeah. Yeah. Like I hate to be called a tourist because I love to travel. But when you're a tourist, you're sort of like, tourists wear a fanny pack and go, like tourist in my mind is like, meh, I don't want to be a tourist. I don't want to just like, oh, look at you, you're from Taiwan. Close, a piece of cake. Okay, yes, but there's a spelling mistake. I'll teach you a rule. I before E except after C. This is a rule for spelling. It's a rhyme. I before E except after C. I before E except after C. Oh wait, after C. Sorry. E-I. Is it I-E or E-I? P-E-I-C-E. Yeah. That's the rule. I before E except after C. P-E-I-C-E.